What if I told you that you could access ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, MidJourney, Canva AI, Leonardo AI, and 350 premium AI tools from one dashboard, without paying monthly subscriptions? Sounds impossible. Well, today I'm reviewing Universal AI to see if it really delivers or if it's just another overhyped AI launch. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of paying for multiple AI subscriptions like ChatGPT, Claude, MidJourney, Canva AI, and other tools every single month, then today's review might save you a lot of money. In this video, I'll show you exactly what Universal AI is, how it works, its best features, pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's actually worth your investment in 2026. And stick around until the end, because if you decide to pick up Universal AI through my link, you'll also get 5 exclusive bonuses from me absolutely free. So let's dive in and see if Universal AI is really the all-in-one AI platform it claims to be. Let's jump inside and see if it lives up to the hype.
Jason slumped at his kitchen table, eyes locked on his credit card statement. $327.64 gone again this month. His stomach twisted as he scanned the endless list of AI tool subscriptions, voice generators, image creators, text assistants, and more. Each charge felt like a slap in the face. But the real gut punch? He hadn't made a single dollar back. Not one. He'd poured everything into a side hustle that was supposed to change his life. But instead, he was drowning in bills, wondering how he was going to explain this to his wife. A bitter thought crept in. Am I paying to fail? Sadly, Jason's not alone. Millions of people are stuck in the same position as Jason. But here's the truth. The problem isn't AI itself. The problem is the gatekeepers who charge you monthly to use them. I mean, look at this. ChatGPT costs $20 a month. Jasper, $49 a month. Canva Pro, $13 a month. Claude, $30 a month. Microsoft Copilot, $30 a month. MidJourney, $60 a month. And the list goes on. And it's not like you can just give up on AI. It's a $683 billion industry. You need it in your business to survive. Without it, you don't have a chance to compete. But what if there's a completely different and revolutionary way? What if you could access all of those AI models from one powerful dashboard without paying a single penny in monthly fees or API costs? What if you could just search for any AI model you want, whether it's ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, Gemini, Leonardo, Synthesia, Cosmos AI, Jasper, 11 Lab, Palm 2.0, Llama, or any other top-tier model. And just with a click, you have full, unrestricted access to it. Say hello to Universal AI, the world's first universal AI app that lets you search, unlock, and activate any AI model in the market, all without the hassle or monthly fees. With Universal AI, you can effortlessly unlock premium AI models to create 4K motion videos, ChatGPT-like chatbots, AI virtual assistants in your brand choice, websites, e-com stores, and sales funnels, 3D box shot, logos, and 4K images, ultra-realistic talking avatar, AI influencer, voiceovers and voice cloning, audio transcriptions and music mixing, sales and ad copies with article rewriter and plagiarism checker, image editing, remove background, paint, colorizer, etc., video to blog, WhatsApp deal closer and AI web chat, flipbook, text to app, branding, virtual business cards, and more. It's easy. Simply type or say what you need. For example, I want to create 4K motion video. I want to clone my voice. And Universal AI will instantly search for and activate the world's best AI models to get it done, all within the Universal AI app. No API fees, no monthly costs. Imagine creating websites, funnels, products, 3D box shot, logos, and more, all from one dashboard, and make money like this and this in just 1 to 2 minutes a day. Not just that, imagine generating 4K motion videos, 4K images, talking avatar, AI influencer, flipbooks, and even software from the same dashboard. Basically, anything you can imagine in your wildest dreams, you can achieve it in seconds. But it gets even better because Universal AI allows all of those AI models to interact together and work in perfect harmony. It produces results 19 times better than any individual AI model and 10 times faster. Imagine building a business where the 3D box shot and logos created with Canva, the websites created by Claude, the content by ChatGPT or DeepSeek, and the VSL is created by Leonardo AI or HeyGen. Again, all from the same dashboard with a single click and without paying for any of the AI models. Hey, my name is Sei, and I'm here to show you the power of Universal AI, how we use it to make money, and how you can also tap into it even if you know nothing about AI. Universal AI works for everyone and anyone, regardless of where you're from, what language you speak, or even your level of experience. All you need is just 3 simple steps. And the best part is, no monthly payments, no upfront costs, no installation or configuration, no limits or restrictions, no API fees. Amazing! I'm sure by now you're wondering how much this will cost you. Universal AI will save you a minimum of $13,231.23 a year while helping you build a profitable business or land freelance gigs that can generate daily income like this. So it'd be fair to charge you a minimum of $997 a month for it. But I can't do that. I was in Jason's shoes, paying monthly for everything and getting little to no results. So I don't want anyone to suffer the same, and since I make more than enough money with Universal AI, I don't need your money. All I ask is to just cover the cost of hosting by paying a small one-time fee, less than the price of a pizza pie. And you can have unlimited and unrestricted access to Universal AI. Not just that, I'll even give you a free commercial license so you can use it in your business or your client's business or sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, or anything else. And to make the deal even easier, you'll get exclusive bonuses worth over $10K, and you're protected by my 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. If you think that Universal AI is not for you, just send us an email and we'll refund every penny you've paid. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below before we reach our limit and close down Universal AI forever. And pick up your copy now, and I'll see you on the other side.
Now let's see the inside demo. That's how it's work.
Hello. In this demo video, I'm going to show you how the Universal AI app works. Universal AI is the first to market AI app that allows you to search, unlock, and activate any AI model in the market and access it from a single dashboard. No API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. To get started, all you have to do is click on the AI Models menu. Right here, you'll see tons of different powerful AI tools powered by top-tier AI models in the market. Alternatively, you can also search, unlock, and activate any premium AI models you want. Just input your prompt or use the Siri-like voice command, whatever you want to achieve. For example, I want to create an AI influencer video. Once you input the keyword or speak your need, Universal AI will search for and unlock different AI models to help you achieve your task. Here's one AI model for AI influencer video powered by HeyGen. You can click on it to create your AI influencer video right away inside the Universal AI app without paying for any API or monthly fees. There are also different AI models you can use for various tasks. Okay, let's check another example. I want to clone my voice. Amazing. This will bring up different premium AI models for voice-related tasks. As you can see, text-to-speech, this is powered by OpenAI, Azure, and GCP. Instant voice cloning, powered by Stable Diffusion and 11 Labs. Audio mixing and speech-to-text tools. Just click on the one you want. Let's try voice cloning. And right here, you can easily clone your voice. Another prompt. I want to create a stunning website. Universal AI will activate the perfect AI model to create beautiful and stunning websites. You can also search for, I want to create chatbots, and Universal AI will give you different AI models for that. AI virtual assistants powered by OpenAI, Google Bard, Meta AI, and Claude. This is for creating ChatGPT-like AI chatbots, and other AI tools are also listed. Next example, I want to create images. Universal AI will activate the perfect AI models for image creation. like prompt to image, AI image generator, graphics and logo creator, photo studio, and more. Or you can type or speak, "I want to create social media designs," and you'll get the perfect AI model for that. "I want to write code for my app," and Universal AI will show you models to write clean code in any programming language powered by OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini. Another prompt, "I want to record a walkthrough tutorial video," and you'll get the perfect AI model to do that and export your recording in seconds. Another prompt, "I want to create a business card," and the AI model for business card creation will pop up. You can easily create your business card directly within the Universal AI software. So whatever you have in mind, whether it's an e-com store, a 3D box shot, talking head avatar video, or anything else, just input your prompt or use your voice and you'll get access to the premium AI model to get the job done, all directly from Universal AI. Remember, no API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. This is the one app you need to start getting results without paying a penny for AI models. Thanks for watching.
If you're
See you
interested
inside.
in getting Universal AI and claiming all my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. You'll get the software, plus all the bonuses I've put together to help you get results faster. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more AI reviews and online business opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.